everyone, welcome to cabin 8126 on board of the Radiance of the Seas. We are in a standard balcony cabin here. Come in, you have this cute little chair here on your right, not quite a sofa, but a little bit like a love seat that does pull out into a kind of like a single or double bed. And your standard bed here. We got a nice little desk set up here. You have a lot of drawers, plenty of room there. Your little fridge over there, plenty of storage up top there as well. And your little TV here. You can tell it's a little bit of an older ship, smaller, older TVs. Come over here, you will see again older ships, no USB or any power by the beds. It's weird that power wasn't like even a consideration back in the day, but I guess we didn't have phones. They weren't as pervasive. So there you go there. Again, standard balcony cabin here. We'll zoom out for you so you can see the full balcony. Nice little table and chairs. The always beautiful balcony scenic view of Port Everglades here in Fort Lauderdale. The logistics of America, folks. There you go. See downtown Fort Lauderdale out there in the distance. No water in sight. Come back over here, you're going to see there is a lot of closet space, plenty of hanging room. You also have these little cubbies over here, which is right by the front entrance, the front door. Then we have the old style bathrooms here with the plastic shower curtain, not a door. Gotta be careful, you don't want to flood the bathroom here. You get the bathrooms are small. These are older cruise ships here. Smaller bathroom. That is it. This is cabin 8126 on board of the beautiful Radiance of the Seas.